Welcome to UK Tesla News. Let's do it. So let's watch as this Uber driver picks up a customer and he uses full self-drive for the first time. I so wish we had this in the UK.
First time being in Tesla where it's self-driving.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm assuming not the first time in a Tesla,
Not the first time in Tesla.
but the first time to
First time.
experience the full self-drive. Well, awesome. So when you got in, I put your destination. Well, we're going to wait for this gentleman. Actually.
Oh, so he even knows like people.
Oh, yeah. See, look at that. So you see, there he is right there.
That's pretty cool.
Yep, there he is. You can see that person walking right over there.
Yeah.
Now, what it didn't do, he was saying for me to keep coming, but he gave mixed, because if you notice, he kept walking.
Right.
So to the artificial intelligence, the AI is looking at him going like this, but continuing to walk towards the car. So the AI is going like, well, I'm going to pick his feet over his hand.
That's probably smart.
Yeah.
Oh, so he can even recognize like when someone lets you go?
Yes.
That's...
Yeah. So, but he would have had to have stopped. So
Well,
like he was doing
recognized this guy too.
Yeah, see, it recognized him and it kind of halted there a bit, but then as soon as he stopped, he got back up there. Yeah. So, but yeah, it's not like, that's an interesting one there though with the dude who continued to walk towards us, but was waving me to, and I've done that too as a human, right? What he's doing is he's walking across, but he was saying, hey, look, you can go ahead and come, but I'm not going to stop walking. I'm just going to slow down a little bit and walk behind you.
Right.
But I don't know. Maybe that's where the AI is just not developed enough to recognize that little subtle nuance
Yeah.
that maybe a human being would.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm pretty good with the AI just stopping and letting him go across.
Yeah. I think there'll be too much liability if
Yes. Yeah. The liability's still all
it's
on
a
me.
close call. Yeah.
Yeah. Right now, the way it is I have 100% of the liability. Tesla has none. That's going to change here pretty soon. But for right now,
Really?
it's all on me. Oh, yeah. No. Tesla's rolling out Robotaxi. Yeah, they'll have all of it. And it's just going to grow and grow and grow. Yeah,
This is
10 years from now, the world's going to look a lot different.
I mean, I like driving. That's the thing.
You can still drive. You can still drive. My great-grandfather loved horses.
Yeah.
He grew up in Nacogdoches, Texas. But I don't. And most of the people around. But my great-grandfather still, he had a horse. But and in 1920, everybody had a horse along with him.
Okay, I'm curious about this because my turn is actually pretty abrupt.
Okay, well, let's see how it does.
I want to see how it handles this.
Yeah.
Like, I have people drive me back all the time. They always miss that turn.
Well, let's see. So let's see. Does the Tesla navigation have it right at least at first? Is that the right? Okay, so at least we know the navigation's right.
Yeah.
So let's see how but that's the navigation. That's not the full self-driving AI. We'll see how the AI.
Crazy how it can just tell if a human being's letting you go.
Yeah.
I didn't know it can do that.
It's doing everything. I haven't done a thing.
So you just sit here all day?
I sit here and, well, not all afternoon and all evening. I'm retired, so I go out there when other people can't. That's been my, while I can still do this, right? This isn't going to be around forever. Human-driven ride shares days are numbered. So I'm gonna get it while I can get it.
Yeah.
But that's what I was going to tell you too, is you can continue to drive, but what'll happen is that certain things will just start adopting non-human driven because it's obviously going to be safer. I mean, it's, right now, this is already multiple times safer.
He already knows like when to change lane.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah. It's got 8 cameras, 360-degree field of view and all 8 cameras can see simultaneously. I don't even know if that's the right word. Simultaneously is 2, right? So what would it be if it was 8 seeing the hull?
Oh, it's coming up. Let's see how it goes.
Let's see how it does. All right, so it's got to slow down.
Hidden, right?
It's got to get over.
Damn. Okay.
And so humans don't get this right.
Yeah.
All right. So the AI.
It's pretty freaking cool.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Uh-huh. It's smooth too.
That's what I was going to ask you. Is like compared to your other Uber rides, how did that feel?
No, this is much smoother.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna take over.
And then watch, now we got a young lady getting across with her.
The way like it brakes too, just
it's not abrupt. It was kind of because it knew she was coming up.
yeah.
So
When it accelerates, this is yeah. No, this is a future Uber.
yeah, this is it, right? Like I said, man, I know my days are numbered. I'm investing with it.
Right.
So how was that, man?
Like 6 out of 5.
6 out of 5. I love it. It was great chatting with you, bro. Absolutely, man. You too, bro.